Hello there, this is Jan talking to you today. I'm going to take you through a very quick scenario of getting AI integrated into your Google Sheets. Let's get into it. So, first step, you have to go to platform.openai.com/account/API dash keys. I'm going to put this in the description, by the way. But that's step one. So you got to create an API key. Now, you will have to set up a credit card and get your billing going because there's limitations around this if you don't. So that's step one. Step two is go to Google. I'll put this link there also in the description, but you can simply type GPT for Sheets and Docs. That is a extension to your Chrome browser that is easily installed. Once you do that, you head on over to your Google Docs sheet. And by the way, you're going to authenticate and do a couple of steps in between here. I'm not showing you how to do that. You can figure that one out yourself, but it's easy. So once you're here, make sure to go down to extensions on your navigation there. Click on GPT for Sheets and Docs and enable GPT functions. Now, if you haven't set the API key, it's going to push you there by default. So you can also select that here, set up the API key. On my particular setup, it had a weird flashing thing happening, so I think there might be an issue on my side. But if that happens to you, don't worry. Just paste in the API key from OpenAI and get that set up, and it's going to authenticate, and you'll be good to go. And here, I just ran this simple question. Find 10 keywords for my name, Jan Ragnerud. And I let GPT go to town on it. And hey, look at that. SEO, digital marketing, online advertising, social. That's all the stuff that we do here at the agency. And it's pretty cool. And one thing I haven't tried is to actually run it again. So let's see what happens here if I run it again. This is live, guys, so I'm not editing anything. So it's going to probably come up with something similar. And the exact same thing almost, a different order. But anyway, there you go. Simple, simple, simple. That's the key, right? So there are some limitations here as well, character limits and things like that, but you'll figure this out real quick. I hope you enjoyed this short video. And hey, man, this is a new, exciting time for you to get going with AI, okay? Take it easy.